Hey, what's up? Jonathan Fink, Sports Card Collectors Club. So yesterday at the Gas Card Show in Shawnee Mission, Kansas, I spun a wheel and I won this Pokemon pack. It's a Mega Evolution Perfect Order from Pokemon. So let's rip. Yeah, went to the card show back-to-back days. So much fun. Community is great. I'd say it's about half Pokemon, half sports cards. It's pretty amazing watching the Pokemon community continue to grow and start from being a small percentage of card shows to now being equal to half. That's a very nice card right there. Ooh, here's a Gengar. Okay, that's fun. Yeah, there's two winners there. Those will flip for sure. Thanks for watching. God bless. Pokemon's the best. You guys take care.